Let's make Southern-style vegan cornbread muffins. This is a one-bowl recipe that's super easy to make, and the texture of these muffins is absolutely perfect. You just need a few simple ingredients to make it. The secret to these muffins' incredible texture is white cornmeal. White cornmeal is a little bit finer and a little bit softer than yellow, and it yields a muffin that's just so tender and perfect. Start by lining your muffin tin and gathering your ingredients. Then in a large bowl, combine melted vegan butter, sugar, and aquafaba. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Then add white wheat flour, white cornmeal, baking powder, salt, baking soda, and vegan milk. Mix until the batter is well combined, but it's okay if you still have some lumps. Then fold corn and green onion into the batter. If you like a little heat, you can replace about a quarter cup of the corn with fresh or pickled jalapeno slices. Now use an ice cream scoop to transfer the batter to your lined muffin tin. You want the muffin cups filled about 2/3 full because these muffins are going to rise when you bake them. Bake until a toothpick inserted into one of the muffins comes out clean. Then let the muffins cool right in the muffin tin. When they're done cooling, you are ready to serve. I like to serve these up alongside a warm bowl of chili on a cold day. Just look at that perfect texture. How will you serve these cornbread muffins? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make vegan cornbread muffins. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!